Hey everybody, John Skiba here from the Consumer Warrior YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about if you need to file for bankruptcy, but you have a personal injury claim, like a car accident or medical malpractice, something like that, that you also have going on in your life. And we're going to talk about how a bankruptcy impacts those very unique cases. But if this is your first time here to my YouTube channel, please go ahead, click subscribe, check on that little bell. That way you'll be notified each and every day when I put out new videos that'll help you deal with your serious debt issues. All right, so today I want to talk about kind of the merging of two different areas of law. One, bankruptcy, which is what I do here in Arizona, and as well as personal injury law, which attorneys here at my law office of Jackson White, where I work, also do. And so where this really comes into play is if you are in a situation where you're needing to file for bankruptcy to deal with like credit card debts, personal loans, medical bills, whatever it is, but you also happen to have a claim where you could sue somebody else to get money. For example, if you've been in a car accident and the person that you got into a car accident with, they need to cover the repairs for your vehicle, or maybe there's some personal injury or medical type expenses that you need them to cover, or it could be medical malpractice or any of those types of things where someone has done some harm to you that you now have a claim against them to try and recover. The reason why it's important to disclose these things, and I can tell you more often than I want to admit, I've had clients that don't disclose this to me until after the bankruptcy case is filed. It's very important if you have a potential claim like this, even if there's not a lawsuit or anything like that, but just a claim that you have against someone, that you disclose it to your bankruptcy attorney. The reason is those claims, this claim that you have, for example, if you were in a car accident, you have a claim against the party who hit you and caused damage. That claim, if you file bankruptcy, becomes an asset that you have. It's part of what's called your bankruptcy estate. So, for example, if the timing is you get in a car wreck, you hire an attorney to help you out with your lawsuit against the other driver, you file for bankruptcy, and then your car accident case either goes to trial or you settle it. If you get that money after your bankruptcy case is filed, the bankruptcy trustee can go and try to recover those funds and take those funds and distribute them out to your creditors. So you can see why this could be a huge deal and a huge problem for your personal injury claim in that case, as far as if you filed for bankruptcy. So the better way to deal with it is to get the personal injury claim dealt with before you file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. If it's something where they're going to file suit or they're going to settle it, something, again, talk to your bankruptcy attorney about this in detail. If you have a personal injury attorney, have them and your bankruptcy attorney work together. And it's usually better to get the case settled and resolved and the proceeds paid to you before you file your Chapter 7. Otherwise, you run the risk of losing the whole thing altogether. So super important. If you are thinking about bankruptcy and you're in the state of Arizona, my information is below. We do free consultations to help you to decide whether it's a good option and to talk about tricky things like this where the timing of your bankruptcy could be very, very important. If you have a personal injury claim, if you've been injured in an accident or you have a claim against somebody else, so I also have attorneys here at my office in Arizona that can assist you with that. They also do a free consultation. That's something you can reach out to me and I can connect you with them. So again, if you have any type of claim against somebody else, you want to make sure that that's dealt with before you file for bankruptcy. At a minimum, disclose it to your bankruptcy attorney, and then they can guide you through that process about which the best way to go is to maximize the benefit of both of your cases. Thanks for watching today.